Once you make all the changes, what you can do is you can save it in different formats. You can send it for printing or email as well. So in order to do that, you go to File right here, and then there's an option called Save As. So in the Save As section, I'm just going to save it on this PC itself. So I'm going to click Browse, and I'm going to save it on my desktop right here. So .pub is the default file format provided by Microsoft Publisher itself. You can also save it as a template and then use it later. Or if you want to, let's say, make it backwards compatible with Publisher 98 or 2000 so that you can send it to some other people who is using an older version of Publisher, I can do that too. You can save as a plain TXT file, but this will just save the text in the publishing information right there. So none of the design will be saved. There's PostScript and even PDF, which is a non-editable format. And you can this is a very good choice if you want to send it for printing, or you want to send it to someone who you don't want to edit. You can save it as a web page, as you can see right here. And you can even save it as a Word document if you're planning to export this in a document. Even old Word document format. Even JPG, which is an image format right there. So in my case, I'm simply going to choose PDF. So for the PDF, you can see that there are options that you can choose from. So you can go to options. You can go to the minimum size where there's only information about 96 dots per inch right here. Or you can go for a standard or a high quality printing. So if you're sending for print, maybe you want to send it in high quality. But if you're sending this just through mail, then you might want to use the minimum size. So I'm just going to select high quality printing right here. And I can also increase the DPI if I want to create a very high amount of, let's say, high amount of DPI right here with much more detail. I can do that as well. So in the print option as well, so if you're planning to print this, you can see that there are options that you can choose from as well. We're going to cover this in later lesson. But anyways, I'm going to save it out. So I'm going to press OK. And I'm going to save it as a PDF on my desktop. So on my desktop, I'm simply going to say brochure right here. And I'm going to press save. So it's publishing. And now you can see that it is being saved in a PDF format, and it is asking me how I want to open the file. So I'm just going to say Adobe Acrobat, which is the default choice that I have. If you do not have a PDF viewer, you can download Acrobat Reader from Adobe's website itself as well. So over here you can see that the PDF is being opened, and it is in an Adobe Acrobat format, and this is non-editable right here. So the browser is here and is ready to be sent for print. So that is how you can save the file in different formats in an app from Microsoft Publisher. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.